Hello, welcome. What an incredible time to be a student. If you're in the Faculty of Education, Guidance and Counseling, or Institute of Education, if you need any materials for your lectures, assignments, materials for your projects, please check out the description part of this video. Click the link and get what you want. Or still, click on the subscribe button of this very video so that you can link up with us on our YouTube channel so that you can get video lectures for all your courses. You can also get to our website www.jamwifenecouni.com. Once you get to the website, by one of the sites, you will see where it is written education, GNC, or Institute of Education. You can get all the materials that you need, including the past questions. So if you are in education faculty, normal level, Uni-Abuja, Guidance and Counseling, or Institute of Education, you have all the materials that you need. You can simply subscribe to our YouTube channel. As you're watching me now, you see where they wrote subscribe on this video. Just hit the subscribe button so that you can be getting stuff for your assignments and materials for your projects. If you need any technical assistance, you can also call me with the number 0706716268. Hit the subscribe button immediately. Thank you. God bless.